What's up, everybody? In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cover a pair of heated socks. And this is a pair of heated socks from the company, I think you would say that inliCare or whatever, something like that. And just kind of like going over what you get. I've already taken them out of the box and I have them laid out here. And basically you get them in a little small box. And what this is a washable bag, so you don't lose them. You keep them together. You would put them in, remove the battery, then put them in here and put them in a washer, wash them. You get a USB-C that doubles so it can charge both batteries at the same time. You get two batteries here. I'm just taking them out, looking at the batteries. And the batteries seem to be, they have power bank on the back. It shows that they have the capacity on them. These I don't know if they come charged. Let's turn them on, see if they turn on. Okay, so coming out of the box, they are fully charged out of the box. Check that out, everybody. Both of them. And it kind of gives you a meter, the capacity, the temp, and it's 25, 50, 75, 100. And this is the in and out. So this is a charger and a, this is where you charge them with the USB-C, or you could have them coming out. What size are these? So it's a smart battery pack, 3.7 volts. And it looks like the capacity on each one of these are 5,000 milliamps, so a total of 10,000 milliamps, which is actually a lot for a battery this small right here. And just going over the instructions here, you got the instructions that kind of shows how it works. It's got a little button there, and they are long socks. You can see there's a right. This is a right and a left. Battery that has the on and off. I don't see an on and off button on there, but the reason for that, you're going to be using a app for these things, and they do have the app here, and it's called the warm-up app, which I think I already have that app. And as soon as I open the app, it's going to start searching for you would basically just scan that to find them, and then right here it looks like I have to register them. Let me register them real quick. You can see how the app works right there. I'll come back to that. Looking at the status here, you know, it's got the current status. So the basic heating gives you 155 degrees Fahrenheit on the max, 140 on number 3. These are dots, by the way. Number 2 is 122 and 1 is 104. So it goes from 104 to 155 degrees Fahrenheit, which is a lot. And it's all controlled by this app right here. And I think there is a way of controlling it inside here. You can control it through the button right there. Put the batteries inside these, and let's fire them up and see how they work. You got a USB right there. Well, I think you're gonna go that way with it. Yep. You can see I am on the third one there. Put that in there, and then just fold that over, and it's a little button closure. Very simple. So the app seems to have, it's on 140 degrees. I'm going to put it on 158. It gives me battery percentage. I do like that. It gives me the battery percentages. Rapid heating will stop after 10 minutes, automatically lower temperature. Let's do that. Flash heating. It goes on the app, it goes from 86 Fahrenheit to 158 Fahrenheit. And is that what I'm on? Fahrenheit or Celsius? I am on Celsius. There you go. I'm on Fahrenheit now. And it seems I have a timer. Right now I have the timer off, but it goes from off to 120. And then it has some quick settings there. Are we feeling it? Let's see if I'm already feeling it. I am feeling it right here in the toe area. Let me stick my arm down there. Okay, I'm going to explain to you exactly where I'm feeling it. Right through here, I'm feeling it there. Basically all around the toes. This is an elastic. I don't think there's any heating element right here. Really what these are, I guess these would be toe heaters, because if you think about it, this is actually getting really warm right on the end of the toe right there. Let me go ahead and put these things on and see what they look like on. So let's go out here and put them on real quick. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to leave one off and one on to see what it feels like. So I need the right, that's the left. Here's the right. They seem to stretch fairly well. Okay, I'm going to tell you where I'm feeling the heat. I'm feeling heat right here in that area, right there in the instep and in the toes. I'm feeling it in different spots, and it feels like right there. So these are my hiking shoes. These are the Salomon Gore-Tex, you know, Ultra 3s is what these are. And I've had these for about a year, and they've held up extremely well. You can see these are 1-year-old Gore-Tex shoes, and these are holding up well. And this is what I'm going to be using these for, is hiking. And I can't wait to go for a hike with my heated socks on. I can tell y'all that feels really good. Just look at them, and these things look good. So you can see the wire right there. and I'm feeling that heat all the way down from the battery, all the way down my leg into there. Very impressive. These things feel great. You know, for the people that think you might have them too thick or they might bunch up in there, they're not bunched up at all. And just walking around, these feel great. You don't really feel that either. And there you go, I'm on 158 degrees and I can already feel the heat building up. And then to turn them off, if I want to go back down to 122, I can do a quick one right there and it turns off the flash heat. That looks like you would leave a comment of some sort. So who do I recommend these socks for? These will be great for anyone that's a hunter, a ice fisherman, maybe someone that's doing some hiking, some snow hiking or something like that, and you don't want to get frostbite on your toes, because they will run for a long time. And me personally, I'd probably run them on like the 104, so that way it's just enough to keep the blood flow going and not enough to like let my toes freeze off. That's all I got today, everybody, on the heated socks. See y'all in the next video. Woo!